Transportation industry. Roadway, railway and waterways were developed in 18th century since 1. Large-scale goods needed to be sold in distant markets. 2. The need was felt to improve the existing means of transport and discover a new one. John McAdam developed the roads in England during the last half of 19th century. He used a mud binder between the two layers of stone to hold together. The hard surface roads, that are tar roads, could tolerate burden of large-scale transportation. Waterway. Steamboat called Claremont was invented by Robert Fulton. It covered 150 miles distance in just 32 hours from New York to Albany. Railway. First steam locomotive rocket was invented by George Stephenson in 1830, and the first railway line was laid between Manchester and Liverpool. This means it's more economical and faster. In 1853, the first railway line was laid in India by Lord Dalhousie. Communication. Long-distance communication was possible due to invention of telephone by Alexander Graham Bell. The discovery of wireless telegraphy by Guglielmo Marconi and the idea of penny post by Rowland Hills. Agricultural Revolution. The changes in the condition of the cultivation of land is termed as agricultural revolution. It included new machines, new crops, drainage of wasteland, use of fertilizers. Jethro Tull's contribution in the field of agriculture. He started scientific cultivation of crop. He invented a seed drill and horsepower hoeing machine for cultivation. Townshend invented the system of crop rotation. Accordingly, different crops were grown alternatively to maintain the fertility of the land. Beckwells invented scientific breeding of animals. It increased the quality and quantity of food grains. Impact of industrialization on British India. Effects of British policies on Indian traditional handicraft industries. It led to large-scale poverty amongst the Indians. A number of traditional handicraft industries were closed down. India became exporter of raw material to feed British industries. A number of prosperous cities like Dhaka, Surat, Murshidabad lost their ancient glory. A colonial rule transformed rich Indian economy into poor economy. British industrialization was brought about at the cost of India. Introduction of railways in India gave a death blow to the Indian economy. It was possible to buy the raw material even from remote area of India. Indians had to pay higher charges to transport Indian goods through railway. This led to increase the prices of Indian goods, which in turn decreased the demand for them. Effects of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was another of those extraordinary jumps forward in the story of civilization said by Stephen Gardiner. The positive effects. Industrial Revolution left positive effects as well as negative effects. First, let's see positive effects. It benefited the Western countries. It increased the living standard of the people. The scientific cultivation increased the quality and quantity of food grains. It brought all nations closer through trade. The invention of railway and waterways increased the mobility of people and the goods. Negative effects. It led to increase in unemployment and there was no guarantee of jobs. It gave rise to number of social economic issues. It led to increased demand for labor. It forced men, women and children to work in unhygienic conditions. Condition of children working in factories. Children were compelled to work in factories under unhygienic conditions. They were often sent into the mines since they could easily sent down. They work in dangerous places leading to injuries and deaths. The environment was a threat to children as the factories put out fumes and toxins. Environmental problems created by Industrial Revolution. Air pollution affected the families close to the industries. The impact on the health of urban population from waterborne diseases. Sanitation and waste from domestic sources caused problem. Pollution became major problem due to use of steam power. Industrial Revolution adversely affected colonies of Asia and Africa. It led to economic exploitation. The colonial people lost their political freedom. Large number of countries from Asia and Africa were transformed into colonies. Large number of African people were forced to work as slaves on European plantations. Same time, Industrial Revolution did bring about radical change in the socio-eco-political cultural life of those countries where it had taken place. It led the foundation of modern societies in Western world.